getting back to something you found on the internet has gotten very, very easy. All you need is to drag and drop. I know that in another hour and a half, it'll be time for Tech for Seniors Live. But it's a pain to have to go to the website and then find the link. I'm already on the Tech for Senior website, and right here is that link I need to join Tech for Senior Live on either Facebook or YouTube. And to get there in a hurry, all I have to do is this is a link, do a left click on it and drag that link right to the desktop. Drop it, and there's that link. Now when it comes time for Tech for Senior Live to start, guess what? I can now just click on that link, and guess what? And here I am waiting for the upcoming live stream for Tech for Senior Live. Real easy. And you can do that for anything you find on the internet. Once you've finished using it, you can either leave it there to go back to it easily, or simply delete it until you find something new, and then just drag and drop it to your desktop. Hope that helps. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Actually, I'll see you on Tech for Senior Live, coming up very soon. Bye-bye.